Hi everyone. So one thing that you may have noticed in Zipforms is that you don't have access to the Addendum AC when you are in your forms. Um, the Addendum AC is not a WRA form. It's not a WB form. It is language that I believe Amy drafted with one of the legal hotline attorneys. So there is a way to get that, to work with that in Zipforms, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is my dashboard. I'm already logged into Zipforms. You're going to click on templates right up here. Once you're in templates, I'm going to have you click on this clauses section here. This is where you can put any clauses that you are commonly using, or maybe verbiage that you don't want to forget or have to think about, every time you draft it. So anything unique that you guys have utilized. The Addendum AC, I've already put one in here, but I'm going to show you what I did to create that. It's pretty simple, and once it's done, you shouldn't have to do it again. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to New Clause. I'm going to type in addendum for my, or whatever category you'd like. I called mine the addendum. Clause title, addendum AC, or accelerator clause, whatever you'd like to name it. Now, here's where you would type in whatever clause you wanted. Now, in this case, since it's already on a form, I have it saved on my computer as a PDF. You should be able to grab yours from .loop and do the same thing that I'm doing. So if you go to .loop, and I'm just going to go inside of a loop here just for the sake of being able to pull up a document. Go to templates. And I have to scroll down to grab my template. And then I'm going to hit copy. Okay, so now if you click on the three dots next to it, oops, you will see download. You're going to download that to your computer. I'm just going to put mine on my desktop for now. And there we are. So I'm going to open that up. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is this verbiage up top is actually just verbiage that we already have on a blank addendum. So I'm not going to select that. Just this bolder portion here, if you copy it, so you're going to highlight all the text and then Control Copy, or you can, whatever your way of doing copy is. And then we're going to go back into Zipforms. And in this text portion, you're just going to hit paste or Control V. Then you're going to select Save. Now I've got two of them, so I have to delete that one later, but I'm going to delete that now. Okay, so after you've done that, you can use that clause anywhere. What I recommend doing, since there isn't really a big space in the offer to purchase to do that, is if you go back into your transaction and then Documents, and then if you click on All Forms here, this is your forms library. And I'm going to ask you to click on Blank Addendum Number 1. And you see it's got the year 2000 on it. This one's from 2017, which means it's a previous version. So I'm going to use this one, Blank Addendum Number 1, 2000. And you're going to add it to your file. Now, if you've already added a blank addendum like I have, It's only going to allow you to add one of those. That's why there's so many of them on there. So then you have to add a blank addendum too, which is what I just did. Now, if you go into that document, you're going to see the top portion looks just like the one that we'd already created. So I'm actually going to label it Addendum AC. And when you click in here in the text box portion, you see that little pencil. Click on that. Then this little clause note tool shows up. I'm going to click on that. And you will see I have my my clauses will all show up here. I will only have one. And then I'm going to hit insert. And it is exactly as it was before. You can do this with any type of verbiage. If there is any other clauses that you are used to utilizing, that clause function is great for this. Hope this helps and have a great day.